Hi guys, welcome back. This is Natalie from Wiplabs.com, your #1 place for innovative crowdfunded tech products. If you think one of your products belongs on our website, send us an email, info@wiplabs.com. Today we're doing an unboxing of the Buoe iPad stand. Let's get into it. Tack pen. So the Buoe is a leather feeling iPad stand that you can use for lots of different sizes of iPads. In the box is the Buoe. This is one side of it, this is the back. It's quite heavy, has a nice feel to it. It's supposed to be able to sit any way you want it to, however you like to look at your iPad while you're watching Netflix. In the box there is a set of instructions. Gives you a little bit more information about how to use the Buoe and an extra set of attachments. So in order to use the Buoe, you take the stickers off like this and you would put your iPad on flush. It can be for the smaller iPad or for the larger iPad. And you press down, and when you pick the iPad back up, the attachments will be very neatly in exactly the place that you need them to be, so that when you need to use it again, it's right there. And this is what it looks like on the iPad mini. Let me know what you guys think of the Buoe. What kind of iPad would you use it for? The mini, the regular, the pro? Would love to hear your thoughts on the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon again on Wiplabs.com.